Give me a phone, man. You need to take up one book, eh? Not touch your phone unless you go brush your teeth and wash your face. Go on, man. I'm go in the kitchen, go wash up your plate. I make me done wash up your plate and you're not done. I feel say me a ramp with you.
Toothpaste done.
What? So you just tell me. Hold this. Go and go buy toothpaste. Oi. A shop me send you. Here. Don't bother with the ramping. Me know you, you know. Alright, go on. One thing, you know. Little daughter, I try to make him get every little thing, you know. Well, go on and come, my daughter. You know, see, as a single father right now. No easy, you know, man. Manage them, you stay alone. Whoa, so a girl pick me.
Sir, me can get one toothpaste.
I come in, give me a second.
I can't let that little girl there where bad me up.
Thank you. See your toothpaste here?
Thank you.
Alright, have a nice day.
No, no, no.
What you doing on my territory? Hey, little girl, what you doing on my face?
And me first know this.
With you first know this, I'm lick you with this. Move on.
No, call it.
Move.
Me nah move.
You said you move.
Me nah move. Me nah move.
I'm lick you with you.
No, call it.
Justin!
Call it.
Justin!
Make some teeth when you run.
Justin!
Yes.
Come here. Justin! Where they come from? When you run, come back, come sit down. Where they do the rake in your hand? They rake up your hand?
Yes, I was raking.
Justin, are you who run there so they talk?
No idea talk to nobody.
Make sure say another little girl they were just come a shop, come buy the toothpaste, they argue with you, know, Justin. You
tired, me
can't
tired
run
and
with
me
customer,
can't
you know, Justin.
Me not run no customer, mommy.
You see, if me ever look another little girl there, or hear say you the chub with that little girl there, Justin.
No time.
Look here, me know why you make me and nobody in a problem. You hear what me say? Alright. Because see nobody come back and shop again and you fast with them. And then you dey take up rake like you when you sit down out here with rake all
Me
along.
do a rake up right there, so.
Make sure. Oh.
Daddy, we get the toothpaste.
Alright, go and go brush your teeth.
Okay.
Yeah. Come back very quick. And you know, say me not play with her, you know.
Daddy, me done brush my teeth.
You done? Let me see them. Yes, then clean now.
Now go watch back my phone.
So, you're not hungry?
Yeah?
Well, come on, you're not really too there, you know. Me a piece of bread, you know. You want bread?
No, me don't want no that. I want burger. Daddy promised me see y'all go buy me burger.
Yes, baby, me promise you yes, come on, yeah, but you don't have a burger now. You put me on the way, you know, me have to go run go down to the bank, go draw a piece of money and now for you, you know. Anyway, me go down to the bank, you see? Me go down to the bank, me go draw a piece of money. Because me don't really have it, you know. I little savings what me dey save for me and you, for me a rainy day. You the pressure me tell me say you want burger. I hope when you go to school you learn. You see me glass? I'm not there for you, say here. Go buy burger for you here. Me I go down to the bank and go draw money here. Alright. And tell you what you do. Don't leave the yard. Stay in the yard till me come back. Me so come.
Wait till Daddy gone. The boy they thinking can diss me. Watching me on him, me I go beat him.
Oh, boy. Oh, no money now come out. Yo. This can't right, man. No money now in my account. I'm going to the bank right now go find out what I want. Eh?
Where you think now?
Oh, we are come back over here, for?
The beef,
Go
yeah?
on in your yard.
Go
You don't
on.
want to see your yard.
Go
Me go
on.
put on. You say if you go on in your yard.
Go on.
Go on in your... Come on here. Come on.
Okay.
Come go. Come go. Come go. I want to see your back here. Come back again and say I'm not broke your ear for you.
Right now. Yo. Yo. Yo, guys, no youth. Yo, come man, we bomb down all the building in the youth. That's why people them a tell me, say man, eh? What kind of fraudulent activity or scamming activity that me can't give me my money till 6 months? Yo, my people are come like they don't understand who them a deal with, you know. Eh? Put money now in my account. Eh? 6 months now, me have to go wait. And me a no scam a virgin, them a tell me say yo fraudulent activity. Yo, God, you me a tell us say yo, they sitting on the right in a youth. Rental due in a youth. Yo. What them a people are set me for do, God? Eh? Me rent due. What me go do now? Pick me there, why? That now me don't go on a little piece of food that come show in a youth. For 6 months on gold, now me feel like go back in a bank in a youth. Yo. Father. Oh God. Right now me a go home now, cause right now me don't know what to do, you know.
Daddy! What's your daddy message?
You man in a bank I tell man, be a fool if you see you man I can't tell man. Like, Tata, Maya, what's up?
Daddy, but me say me don't want no box food, me want burger.
Little girl all this man, your daddy couldn't afford the burger today man. You wouldn't even understand, you know. And how me love you so much, I would have buy even 2 burger. So all this. Daddy can't explain to you too much burden and pressure here. So just eat that, my daughter. Daddy love you. Just do it right. No feel no way, alright? Alright, when me done, me come comb my hair for you. Just go and eat food, my daughter, man. Don't worry yourself, man. By them people, the youth, eh? Lucky things say me have a work. Lucky things say me have a job where me a do some work. That's why I tell you, say, Bridget, you can't take all your money put in a bank in a Bridget. You better man dig hole and put my money in, you know. Anyhow, man dig hole and put my money in, you know. Who know in them a problem, yeah? Bank I tell me be a foolishness about my account. Eh? When me pick me go eat? Right now, me pay loan and then me sitting there, you. God know you. God, you're the greatest, you know, God. That's why you make me have a work, you know. You make me have a job. Yo, that's why more time, you know, man, me can't depend on certain things, you know, you. Good day. Right now, all my water they done. Want all my water, eh? How this up? Workplace.
Yes, sir, Nick.
Yeah, morning, my general. What's going on?
You know, I'm just calling to inform you that due to the tourist up and down fluctuation, you know, I will have to lay you off for about 3 months, okay?
Boss, wait a sec. 3 months. Me no hear what you say, man. Mine you have a wrong number, man.
No, man, it is not Nick, man. Nick the chef.
Yeah, man, I'm a top chef up by hotel, man. So what you talk about, general? Lay off for 3 months.
I am very sorry, sir. I'm very sorry, but I can't do
what?
better.
Yo, them not sitting here, can't. God. Big man, see what you can do there for me, man. Because right now, me in a one little situation right now. Me can't afford that right now. Please, me, I beg you.
Oh my, I wish I could help you, but as I'm telling you, the fluctuation in your health
The system a malfunction, general. The system be not working. If computer giving trouble, man, go and check it again, man. You can't lay me off for 3 months. How am I gonna survive for 3 months? General, me have bills to pay. Me have water bill, me have light bill, general. And me don't know if, general, if food they run out, my daughter want grocery. Please, me I beg you, see what you can do for me, please.
You're very convincing, you know. And I see that you're telling the truth, but I can't do better. It's coming from higher up. You understand? So you just have to just cut your last and just go out. You call them back shortly because you're a good chef.
Yeah, the man, general. Just talk to the man.
Just have a great day and just look out for a call for the next 3 months, okay?
Hello?
I understand it. Be fine. God bless you.
General, nobody hang up your phone, man. You hear what me I say now? Me a real youth, man. Done for now, you know, youth, eh? Bank no want give me money. And the little money when me a depend upon the work, youth, the man them a go lay me off for work, eh? How me go survive? Come like a thief, them man want me go thief, you know, youth. My daughter. Why? Don't worry yourself. Come here, my daughter. You done it?
Yeah.
Don't worry yourself, man. Your daddy I got you a rough time, you know, my daughter. You hear? Don't worry yourself, man. Everything is gonna all good. You hear? Remember daddy love you. You hear? And let no one try to trick you and harm you of nothing. You hear? Alright. I can't explain to you because you're not going to understand. Right now, my daughter, I go up on the road right now. This coming in the yard, you know. And I have to go up on the road right now. I go look at work, you see? I can't take this. I go look at work. I go look at work, my daughter. Stress out. Oh God. You see my shoes? Oh. See Maya? Me I go look at work, you see?
Okay.
Boy. Man, feel lay me off, man. Daughter, I go up on the road here. Alright, daddy love you here. I come back, I phone you here.
Bicycle want 2 tire and 2 tube. If not understand the bicycle, I punch us so much time. I can change the tire them. And all the time I have my money, you know. Cause last couple times I go to him, I want a week after, I want 2 weeks after, I not work, so now I need the money to start out my bicycle, my only transportation. So I can't rent some of the place, and when the time comes for rent, man I grow on and I tell me this week, next week, that week. None of that. You understand? Oh. I'm not sure no trouble nothing on my farm, you know.
Diamond? No, I'm gonna sit and start. Start. Wait, we can do something. Do maths in a box.
Who there? I need that. I'm here now. Hope you have something put on an envelope. Nip! Wait there. Good girl.
Yeah.
Like you see Duppy, so you see Duppy?
Yeah, only Duffy.
You're too bright, man. You're not no manners, you're too bright. I don't come about you you're not manners in. You understand? Where's the father?
He not there.
What?
He down there yet.
He left something for me?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
An envelope with something like that?
Me never see no envelope.
You never see an envelope? No, I got wait here, you know. I got check on my farm. You don't see your father going on my farm none time.
No.
You sure? I tell the truth. I know what I plant, you know. So I go and check.
They probably overnight go in there.
Ooh. Me I come on my farm overnight, come teeth. Hey, little girl, you bright teeth. Hey, shut up big people business, man. I shouldn't even ask you one question. Make a call and see if you take no fight, you know. Still there, man. You know, when I take them, go tell them, you know. Let to clean up for go on. I go and do it, you know. I can clean up until he come. Start mistake with me and get my money to that. But tomorrow and next week, bicycle want fix.
Hello.
Yes, sir, man.
How go on, my G?
Hello.
My G, respect me, boss, man. No, see, I some work me there, all up my general.
John, you know, we're not in the space right now.
Eh?
Yeah, man, we just had 2 worker.
That man, my general. You know, say, pass me a pass it pace, and right now, I'm kind of in a situation right now.
Oh, John, if they did come to clear
That man
2
needs
days
a shift,
earlier,
man.
if they come 2 days earlier, couldn't get you up, me G.
God,
Late
no, boss.
start. Yeah, man. Can't help you out this time, man.
I don't see nobody, brother. I don't see it. Alright, I know, brother, me a fast, and me a say, right now, that's all nice, you know.
Yeah, man. General, but they
General.
come too late still.
Man, one pick me up still in my boss, and you see it?
Mm-hmm.
We kinda lose all certain things in it, so you see what you can do, man. Yeah, boss.
Yeah, so my big sister. Come here run after right now, cause she's not there.
Oh, I'm feeling when you're on the boss, you couldn't call him me.
No, that, let me tell you something. I 2 work, you know. But you come too late.
General, as a nigga, brother, as a brother to brother, you can't do something for me, Jay.
Nah, nothing can help you with. I swear, yeah, nothing. Nah,
So
to
you
check
go
for the
still,
next part on the beach road, man.
Alright, I'll say I go still.
Yeah, man. The salt, me G. Jano.
You look like I want big bunch when I get off of the one, you know. Jesus. Come out to lose your life.
Hello.
Hi.
Good evening.
Evening.
Yeah, you know, say me there here. My name is Nicardo John Lou White. You know, say me I look at work and me I want pitney there yard, me want take care of. Me go about 5 places look work and can't get no work.
But at this time, I don't work that too late and we come from about 8 o'clock.
So you say no vacancy not no vacancy not here.
Late.
Oh my God. Give me pot them man, me can't wash them man.
Feel that and whatever about
About 3 places or 4 me go for a morning and mommy, you can't do something for me. Please man, me rent due man. Me rent due.
All of that too?
My light bill due and my water bill due.
And that's so late and all work.
But you me have to go much place man. Right now, I'm confused. I don't know what to do right now.
No, sorry, can't help you. If we go check again, probably we could get more luck.
Anyway, thanks here.
Alright.
Same thing I leave here today. I not leave here now. I wait for him right here. Right here I wait for him. Look up in the top, look for man. You see ugly man? Don't look for me. Just pray your father come with my money.
The favor like rolling car.
If you ever like you alright, you know. Just go with you and your father, cause I don't work for if you can't pay rent. You can deal me give him. But the deal let me give him. I know I owe me and I share money and can't pay me on time.
What is that man do me yard? So this a man I love money man. Yo man, as a man chipping. Jeez, I'm pity you, God no.
I see you man, come in man, come in. You know what time it is. Yeah man, I don't think I don't see you. Come in man. I'm waiting. Why you trash out man?
See you come to look for the farm and the farmer go
You
and
look for
man.
the farm already man. Your money is sure man. Clark farm feet.
Oh,
I wanna be. Oh my.
Right now, you don't even know. I hope me this I go look, you know.
No sir. You not give me no pill today no. Me not take no pill from you today man.
So what you doing in a yard? Remember say you rent me place, you know.
We went to a place and I come for collect. You astonished man. The first you see me. I know you see me all the month.
With all due respect, man.
Hey, you know what I
rent
have
me
to check your
place,
car right now. You know what I have to look at my bicycle. See that wheel puncher. And that
no,
one I
man.
need you now.
You can't give me till next week, cause kind of want like a situation and you still. You know.
Jesus. Hey, Nick. Nick. You see me the last 3 months. It's either late, it's either short.
Big man, I first time I shot it.
No.
And
I first time I shot me.
Big man, I first time I shot your rent.
And I first time I shot me. You shot me till me forgot when you
Yo.
shot me. Hello, you me man. Give me my money, man. Give me my money. I want my money, man. Cause yo, you take this thing for joke, you know.
Big man.
You see
Big
like how
man,
you
me not
work.
have you now. Me not tell you no lie. Me not really have you now still in a big man. So you wanna either you wait till next week or just go on and go call police in a virgin.
Hello.
Big man.
Get out my place, you
Me
know.
nah come out, you know.
Get out my place.
Me nah come out.
Young man.
Big man,
Young man.
first time.
Liberty come to you careless, listen, young man. You want to live free?
Big man, me have my daughter in a place. You can't send me out on the street. So remember, see, 2 months rent me pay before me go in there, you know.
Listen, my man.
2 months rent me give that before me go in there, you know.
Listen me.
So you're supposed to give
Remember.
me 1 month to come out.
Remember the repair that I done? You remember the repair?
Big man.
When I died, I broke the bed foot. I don't know how you broke the bed foot. I have to repair the bed foot.
I go,
The
man.
repair money done.
Ship my daughter love jump up on the bed and I want my daughter how much time.
Alright, so
I'm
you
just
in
a
a
beg
talk
you,
about no
just
repair.
little time, no
You know
general.
why you beg me now? Cause me have people line up want the place to rent. So if you don't have your money, you go. You understand? That me I talk about.
Big man, you know what? I don't like how you go and still, you know. Yo, you know some go left your place.
Left.
You
You
know
have
some-
family. Go on your family yard.
You know some go left. Alright.
Go on, man.
Cause you see, me no left your place.
And you little bad, miserable daughter without no manners. Take her and go on, man. Cause you cannot owe me so much. You owe me too much. I'm tired.
Yo, me say, me can't believe see just 1 month rent me owe you, you know, you go on, so, you know. Me go call police man, you know.
Go and go call the police.
A 2 months rent me pay, you know, come run me out before me come in. Yeah, you better give me back my 1 month.
Don't forget 1 month. You know about that things no damage in our place. I mean, never, you remember say me miss some manga fight here and if talk about that. Go and go call the police. Go on. I'm waiting. Come here, wait for people line up on the place to rent.
Daughter, wake up. You alright? You frightened? We are going to leave a place there, my daughter. Look for your something, them. Look for all your something. Look for your slippers and your something. We are going to leave a place. The big head man said we have left in place. The man come, a 1 month rent, you owe me nothing, man. 1 month's rent. Look for your, all your stuff, them. Take up your toothbrush, everything. We are going. We are left the place, again. Come see your bag there on this, sir. No easy, you know, man. No, I left that game. No, I left me here. The my lotion when them ain't done, not sure? Ain't done, man. We not carry them, we are carry one them or something, you know. I left the empty bucket game to clean up the place. I hear?
Daddy, this is my favorite cup.
Yeah, man, take up it up to my man. I'll make sure you look for your slippers. The charger, me I look for. This is my charger. Oh. Put my phone off the charge now. Come on, the bag you look like it go broke your back, man. Carry that one there. Come on. Come, my daughter. You see? You walk on a side that. You walk on a side that. Yo, you see, you want wicked. Yo,
Hey.
come on, my daughter. You hear? You
Who's gonna push me over?
Eh? Come and
Who's gonna push me over?
I see
Come
you.
on, you know. Come on.
Come, my daughter, come. Mine not pop out the slippers. You hear? The man there want wicked.
You know what? Eh? You can't pull the ear like pretty. No, sir. What kind of father you be?
Tell us if you give me 1 week. Eh? Imagine.
Now you have 3 bonus word left to this. That I don't know.
Not a backup word or something.
You know, have to cheat, you know,
Bonus word
Justin.
found in this level. That's a bonus.
Right, but you know, have to cheat.
Go change the shirt on my daughter, you see? Because you know, say tomorrow I'm going to have to go look work and I don't know when to go wash again. So, go change this, my daughter, yeah? See, look at the old landlord, me I feel the hurry. Can't see it up, me have to take care of it. Alright, my daughter, go on. Bounce. That's my birds, you know. Yo, Choppy! Chop, lad!
Oh, are you? You're so forward, Nick.
Christian, man. Put on your man most tired, man.
How's your father?
What go on, my general?
Yeah, man, everything good. Where you go?
Why?
Like you take a chip.
Thing not good, you know, my general.
Let me say everything no good. No go there, go. See you go on.
Yo, you know me and you are virgin, you know, man.
I know just for a long time.
Yo, you alone, me can't come link, you know. Yo, my landlord just run me up, brother. You can't put me up 1 2 weeks.
But no, so what you do now, Nick?
More time rough, dog.
What tell you with that? Let me say man run out. He just come to run out
My
something.
landlord just run. Me say me owe man 1 month rent, brother. And me see man in my yard. Never for me yard. It's
you say
the
to me?
yard where me rent. And say me have to come out, brother.
And the man don't give you no chance nothing, brother.
Man just a different be money, brother. Right you know. See my daughter, I mean, you know, see, I'm here alone there yard, you know. And things rough, you know. Right now, my daughter saying one burger. This morning, me go down my bank. I be things, you know. That's what I say. Me don't even want to go there, so, but you see, you can't help me out for 1 or 2 nights, brother.
Tell us mother help you, but mom's coming now, you know. And she upstairs. You see me? Right now, many mom, hell if you come down and say a while ago, be a cuss me if you cuss him. So I'm telling you, virgin this one day, man. Go hear what man I say. You see me? Can't help you. Yeah. Rough. For the me alone there, you know me sleep on the ground and gay bed, but mom's there, you know.
Kind of
Yeah,
understand
rough,
that,
you know.
you know. I kind of understand. So when moms are lift up, probably me can hold out tonight and circle you back tomorrow, you know.
Mom, now left till next month.
I don't know if we're going, brother.
You now left till next month. You know your shit done already, brother. When me and you go out, you see how she deal with me.
Brother, me I come from far, brother. But brother, look how much room you have up there, brother. You are sleeping at 1, 2, 3, 4 of them one
And
time.
no say, we tell the truth, tenant in them. Tenant in them. Tenant coming at them here now.
So brother, where you
See me?
stay? You can't lend more money for me to rent one house in me and my little daughter. Even for a week, brother.
Me I give her money in about. Yeah, if you look. You know you man tell them, if you don't want to see me give you money, brother, you know him going to cost. Ulam pants. That most can't help you out, you see me? If me get no more money, bless you. You see me?
My friend, God knows star, brother.
That alone me have, Nick. That alone me have.
Because some mom just come from foreign, you know, brother.
That alone me have. Look here. The money you man don't want to give me, you know. You man hold on for the money.
Brother, just you.
You man hold on for the
Yo,
money.
just tell you, man, what me I got you, brother, and hear wine goes.
Nick, you know you shit done already, brother. You know you man done already, brother. Yeah, right now me go there, and me go in a hell now. Think I alone.
Now this nigga can't do nothing, you know.
Look, just buy something for this girl, man. You know what? You know what I'm saying?
Oh, this my daughter, yeah.
Yeah, man. Just big up yourself because I saw it all sounding. You see me? We call them, man, if anything. You hear?
Alright.
Ah.
Peace, I could have come.
I saw the thing, say, man. Me link you, yeah, if anything. Boy, Nick, don't want to get on, but boy, stress. Mom's here. If mom's over there, everything good, but boy. You know what you do, you know? Them a situation and them say rough, but you still. Next time, man, when I see you, man, when I see you again, man, we do better.
Can think of one word and the word makes sense.
Go
And when you
slip and
find
you
it,
know.
it's all right. Sometimes you think of one word and when you find it, alright.
Give back to him.
Oh God, me help my daughter. You must tired, man. You must, oh God, man. Your shoulder hurt you.
Hello.
Good evening, ma'am. How you doing?
Good evening. You look like you have one big problem, man, because you didn't walk with your little girl and then she have this big load. She a
Boy,
look thirsty.
boy, it's a long story, you know, miss. Right now, my landlord run me out and me go link
Cut
all
the
my
story
virgin.
short.
And right now, you don't have nowhere to go. You don't have anywhere around that can put me up for the night, mommy.
Look here, me not just see people and put them outside, put them upside now. But when me
Just
see
look.
this little girl and they say the load heavy, my heart melt.
Oh
Come here,
God,
come over here so make me talk to me. Because me not under you this nice little girl you have to walk through you.
You know, that tell us me I walk from morning, you know, man, and well, I can't manage, but I don't mind, you can't help me out, you know.
Alright.
I swear, man, I swear.
Listen what me I say now. You see, because you
Hey, your
have the
little
little
son that.
girl. Yes, I'm a little son. Good behaving boy to you know give me much
Oh,
trouble I had, you know.
Thank you,
But me
miss.
have one spare room. You want to fix up a bit still, you know.
oh
You could have
God.
stay in there with the little
Oh
girl because
God.
you know look good on the
God
road
go
with
help
her.
you. Miss God
You
go help
alright?
you. You hear God go help
Yes,
you.
man, you don't worry yourself.
Yeah,
Just
do something nice. You hear?
thank
You
God.
hear
No
that, my
thank
daughter?
me, thank God.
Oh God.
Take up your
Me no
things then
care
let
how
me
I
show you
stay,
which
man.
part. You
Oh
don't worry
God,
yourself,
man.
man. Me
Thank you.
happy can't make you the walk the street with this a nice little girl. Them boy a road no play, you know.
I mean, I watch me daughter like
Justin,
a heart.
watch
She
the
go
shop. I
prepare.
soon come.
God good, man.
Justin, I make customer pass, you
God
know.
is the greatest.
Come on, no
God
worry
is
on
the
yourself,
greatest.
man. A little girl you can't have her up and down. Stuff on the road.
Can I look at dried picnic we fling back like from me run in my yard? No, me have to go taxi man time see my house in my living now. Oh, I feel like.
Remember me telling you, the place not too ready yet, but you can stay in there. Better than outside walking up and
Come
down.
on,
You
you
don't get
behave
the
yourself,
key
you
in
hear?
here, so you hear?
Yeah, man.
Because me not have the key for you. You can stay right here, so me a come.
Come on, yeah. Make
Hmm?
sure you're on your best behavior, you know.
Yes, daddy.
You see what I say?
Yes,
Alright,
daddy.
you man, give you a chance, you know. So, more,
Go ahead, just say what the shop, you know, come and listen to what. You can pay attention to the shop.
the place nice, man. Me like what I see, man.
And it not really finished yet.
Why?
But nice, so when you finish, so you can stay in here so with your daughter for now as the time goes by and we get a little more comfortable. You can call up, man.
Alright.
Come here, little girl. Get your bag. Your bag there, where she the ball say heavy.
Oh, God, you're such a
You
darling.
can make yourself comfortable and
No,
rush,
man, this.
but
Like
at
this,
least
man.
a roof there over your head. So if any little thing there next door, you don't have to disturb me, you don't have to, right?
Yeah,
I
man.
think
Everything
you
good,
can
man.
make it out by your own in here, so. Yeah, your daughter, until you figure out
Come
what
here,
next
sit down.
plan.
You go sleep there, son. You
Yeah,
go.
man. No
You
little
go
girl,
sleep
no
there,
play
son.
with the window.
You go.
You know, to make sure play
Alright,
with.
come on, you come. Come here.
No play with the window, you little girl,
You
because
go
they
sleep
just
there,
put
son.
in there not really set yet. Alright, that you
Alright.
can see.
Excuse me, miss. You know, say. And my daughter walk up on day for nice son, you know. Right now, me kinda alright, you know, but my daughter wants something, you know. Right
You
now,
mean something like she hungry?
right now, she have to get something before she go to bed right
But
now.
from me look on her, she look thirsty.
No, but I'm sure I say you right now. I'm glad
Yeah,
me get
what?
somewhere, you know.
Me,
Well,
I
no,
go
no.
look about something for Justin, so no worry yourself about your daughter.
Me just want to go up on the road to buy something for you.
You not have to do that. Me can look about something, me even can get some out of my shop. Look about so she can eat. So anything me I give Justin now, she I go get cause she there
No,
here.
man, remember say I'm my responsibility. You know.
Yes, but listen, kids not hard to feed and it no make sense you're there here and you they run out every time so you go look something for and that you go do.
No, remember you just meet me now. Me no you saw me and say,
And me a offer you, me a offer she something to eat, alright? So me go and give her something to eat so not kill up yourself. You're supposed to tired because we see you they walk up and down, so get some rest, man. Little girl, me go and look out something for just, you drink back soup? You like bag soup, alright? I'm going to warm up your stomach for you here. I'm going to make bag soup for Justin and both of you go and drink. You know, going to be good friends. Don't worry yourself, man. As soon come back, you can push up the door, nobody now come trouble you.
if we get hot, we can come borrow a fan. You have any fan around
In
here?
your winter, then you're free. Nobody now really coming on the yard for molest me. So you're there here, nobody for molest you. As soon come and go and sort out the bag soup so she can get something. Warm up her stomach.
Daughter can play with this.
Anything she want to play with, as long as she don't mash up nothing, just leave it already ready, you know.
See the ball on the daughter. You see that? God provide. You see that, my daughter?
Yeah.
Jesus. Worry yourself, man. Yeah? We go live right up there, so don't worry yourself. Daddy gonna fix up things.
Yes.
Alright. Don't worry yourself. You go ask her where the bathroom there, yeah?
Yeah, that means that you want to use the bathroom. Here? And don't break no glass. You see anything you see here? Make just play with it. But you can't afford fish run me out like how the landlord run me out here. Alright.
Justin, lock up your shop. Come, lock up your window, them and let me close up the door. Me I go run. Go look about one bag soup so you can get if you drink. You and that little girl there. Lock up your shop, you hear? And make sure so you lock you up. I don't feel say they make up Justin. You better not drink out the juice them in our shop. That's all you do. Lock up your shop, start now. Gotta check on them first. You know, alright? I suit me go to the shop and get some. You look what you know, so
I know, so we have a little problem.
you're not supposed to have problem again.
No, night, you know, say at night time, my daughter love saying want go bathroom.
That's not a problem. Just pull on the door and you see the bathroom right next.
Oh, okay,
When you open this, you
But
reach our bathroom.
you never know what your name. What is your name?
My name is Shayna.
Shayna?
Yes.
Oh, nice to meet you again, man. Yeah.
Again. I'm glad you
nice to
remember
meet
say
you.
again.
Your hands them feel very soft though.
You don't worry about that. Now I look about something to your daughter, make she can get. Is it alright, mommy?
You have any husband at home?
You just come, rest your mind, your brain, your soul, everything for you want rest right now. You're tired. Much question, I'm tired, you're tired.
Bathroom and come back, okay? Just
Yes,
behave
Daddy.
yourself and be a nice little girl, alright?
Yes, Daddy.
Alright.
I must just leave this. It's right in the middle of the house for me. But me quit fine. Oh, like water they go away. Water slow, man. Alright, I will make torch then. Supposed to hungry. Yeah, that is it. Alright, that should have just what a little cup here now and left in the sink. You know, me tell him, don't use nothing and leave it in the sink. Alright. Broke up because like what so them just in love when it long so but you have to break up it so you can share the water go on hot. It's going right up so to the water. Once it go on hot.
Aqui é a minha balônia, a rampulinha.
Yeah,
Aqui é a minha balônia.
yeah.
Oi, a mãe roqueira, menina. Mãe roqueira. Oh, e até vou me bater. Aqui é.
Yeah.
But the man you bright though, you know. Me just there have family for help with him and in data and in the ask me about man already. Then me could have man ya and they have help for him come stay ya. But bad for bad, you know. He look like he not be one good father. I want him move too fast still because me not move so fast. Me just a try help him and see how things work out. Cause I don't really look me they look nobody. It's just a helping hand.
Oh, can you push on that from? Come on. What are you running out do?
Me hear balloon bus and me come up here.
So,
And him bus me. And me realize that me balloon him bus.
so a fight you come to fight me daughter? Where your mother there? Eh?
No.
Me hear this loud noise. A box me daughter.
I balloon me here bus and me come up here.
Me daughter Cho.
Daddy, me and my friend.
Oh, cause remember say we just come out the yard now. We don't want the people them run we, you know. Oh, cause me you frighten me, you know. Next time I do that again, man. I'm going to the bathroom round there, so the bathroom nice. And when time later, the bathroom round there, you have to go be later when they're second down here. Alright. put up the ramping because next thing he lead to fight and I don't want no fight. Okay? Alright. You go over there, son, you go over there, son. Go on around here, madam. You talk to me daughter a little bit. You hear? Maya. You can't they come a people yard and a ramp so. Eh? Next thing you go mash them window. Remember said me call bank today and they no give me no money, you know. So me no have no money at all. Please me I beg you. Yeah.
Can mother the little dread pick me and come in a man place and come on like him and nobody with his father.
Walk side. In the boy this time it done make already. I hope Justin not tell me about mommy fresh because I stretch if he share for both of them. Stop phone anybody smoke if they go use a story today. Good.
One boxing balloon and he Nico shine head pop. Go a contract but if I box me a boxing that I'm going to box him for sure. When you feel like. Mommy!
Yes.
You never get a little dry head picking there for me know if you pick me and keep your father.
Jesus, Justin. Behave yourself and don't make your people them hear they talk them this something. You don't have no manners, Justin. You feel learn for help. Me tell you already and me go tell you again. Don't make me shorten your soup. You hear me I tell you say you're out of order. You see me they give out a helping and hear they talk. Justin, don't make it happen again. That little boy you not easy. Oh Jesus Christ.
You could dry head pick me and come in and my place and come feel like I'm boxing head what.
Make it Justin in the hotter plate cause him we more manage this. Right. Nobody can complain to them. Can give Justin one fork because she a visitor. You don't go quiet. But mommy I'm my favorite spoon. I lick him on him out. Justin!
Yeah?
Call the little girl out there so make she come get for her for drink.
Mommy have to call the little pitney.
Justin go on now. Remember see a sloop, he will sleep up. Sure, backside after all man.
Come to call him. Excuse me sir.
What is
Mother
it,
say
young
daughter
man?
where you name?
You can call me Nick.
Alright, Nick, my mother say daughter to come feed me.
Maya. Nice lady, she gonna make some noodle for you. You want some noodle?
Yes, Daddy.
Alright. All I son Justin go on.
Okay, Dad.
And don't throw away nothing in a lady place, you hear?
How we done there so long? No come. That one, this are yours and this are yours. Come me hot. Take time and sit down right over here so I get this soup. Sit like so. Take your time. Walk more. Sit straight. Justin, you can't sit down beside her. Justin, why the long face? Me have to broke up the with them fine, you know, Justin, so that he can share. So if that are your problem, you just drink your soup. Drink your hair and make yourself alright. When you finish, you can go back round to your father. See all the rain come down. Me have to go throw one towel over your head. Justin, smile, man. Now you see you want one company, see you get pitney for rampant there. You have company now for eat and play. Don't tell them long up your face.
Oh God. See you never feel what I need look like in 18 years. You know
Leave
what?
me alone.
You know what? If you go feed the grass with them, make you keep it.
Okay.
And you give me some of your food. Give me grass.
I take a glass of they promise me so you go give me
Look a big bag picnic. Come on me here there, your power and count your mouth, everything. Now me have to get broke up noodle. You're brighting.
I got 10.
The juice.
Nobody one.
I love you more for me. Big bag.
You say Justin and I want easy pitney. Justin! You think me not turn up how when you take out the little pitney so fast? You're too blasted out. You give it to me. Justin, give it to me. Give it to me, man. Jesus Christ, I saw you deal with
You
strangers.
mean too much.
Justin, you wanna get none? You can't deal with strangers, so man. Come on, man. You come, you take this. You too all harder, man. Come, little girl. Come down a little bit more. Now make Justin eat out your food. You hear what me say? If anything you call me, be the right inside of the room. And Justin, behave yourself. All harder, man. Sure. You get the silent one.
Do you want that thing?
No. When you finish, me make Justin follow you around to your father, yeah? Yeah. Alright. You know why you know Justin? Listen. Justin! Come here, little girl. Justin! For Christ, never see a point.
No,
Jesus Christ. Justin, after me take my plate and share some beer. Justin, you still take out some of my pity food again. Drink off a little bit, Wallet. Me, I'm going to make you go around to your father, because it's coming like it won't out for me, and I first day you come here. Justin, treat her nicely. You hear what me say, Justin? Everything you want company, now you get the company, Justin. You know, make you side company. You're making your living hell for me. What wrong with you, Justin? Look for me when me dey talk to you. You don't like her? Eh? Should I humbug you?
He might take up the space, my area.
Get up, go around, go wash it here. Get up, go wash the pot where you see I sing. When me make you soup, get up. Get up! Get up, man. You feel have little behavior. If I saw you behave, she go do like you. No mind in your ear, that's why I'm going. I'm going to talk to you. Me da make you stay a little longer, but you look like you and Justin now get along for the first come. Let me make you go out to your car. I'm going to put them here in nice things. Oh, when I'm gone in my bed, that watch out for me on you. You come down go around to your father. Tomorrow, probably things will work out better and you know, we get used to each other and we can play, right? Come go along. But wait, this big old lazy boy. Let me tell you to come in, come do. Get up off my bed. I'm on your break up your glasses. You know how much money we pay for this? Come, Justin. Your eye go smart. Alright. I notice smooth your sorrow here. You notice now when you're there. Eye the belt, you know. But you see if I find it in the boy, get up off my bed. Get up. Justin, you want mad me? Justin, get up. Come out of bed, Justin. Sure. You don't have nowhere to come out of the bed, Mr. Go wash your pot. You go make it people them know they so here how me have to deal with you. Go wash your pot, you're too nasty. Get up, go wash your pot. Get up, come out of bed, man. Imagine look how me have to deal with you. I'm turn up on this floor. One up myself into the bathroom. Wash your pot and me told you prepared where you have a little girl eat out. You
Now, what is the problem with the
Justin, I said to wash them. Me we wash where she drink water. But you don't go get her with the next time. Give me a phone. The all taller. Anybody get call you. Watch me and you, Justin. So now we have the call up on phone. Turn on the pipe and get active. You blasted all taller. Wash everything. Boy, you now wash your little girl drink water. You're too all taller. You don't have no manners. Me notice you.
A big woman that in a little fitness body.
Jesus, Justin, just calm
Not
down.
even want to watch him play.
Justin, Lord of mercy. What me go with you in this house, Justin? You can't grow, sir, you know?
Take out the little picnic and keep him, man. If him man not no money on him.
Justin, you have to learn for it. You see, life have a lot of ups and downs. Me been through it with you already, you know, but you see, through you're so young, you won't even understand or remember certain things. You come, cause you take this thing for joke. You have to learn to help each other as along the way. As the days goes by, you help each other. You know,
Alright, mommy, me I go friend you little girl.
you think you're easy? Hug you up, you take time and go on. Nobody feel me happy up.
Try and know what is late then.
It's alright, you trick me and gone, but everything nice.
Thank you.
Justin, come out and feel.
Oh, so you boss me by the room. But pick up me chop and I ramp with him. Oh, if you you live here. You live in a this house. You live in a guest room. My guest room. Give me chop.
I don't
Give me. Give me enough. Give me. Give me. Give me chop. Give me. Me broke your finger. Give me. Me lick you. Oh, my God. No. Oh, yeah, I'm telling you. So, we are locked door pan in my house where come here and come infest me with the block pocket pan and I don't like. Move, man. We are locked door in a bright. We are locked door. Make it turn up. No one come here and come here.
Oh, you look a boy, you can't deal with my daughter, son. Not sure we can't catch out of place. Not sure you see me and my daughter come catch. You can't deal with my daughter, son. Timaya, come, pack up your something. Yeah, go left.
But then what kind of nice that? I swear me hear the little girl father around there. What kind of loud talking that? Me go around there go check because you see all the Justin him no easy.
I'll be in the beard and hear nice enough. You can't sit down here and take them and disrespect you, man.
Or infest me house with the poverty.
Look boy, you know, no manners.
If you're trying to get my room working, man. You were seen, but you won't be.
You see little boy like you.
You were seen.
One thing, man. You see them little boy, them bright and face, they don't have no manners. You know, take
Hold
no
on,
listen.
hold on. Hey, little girl, where you there go with the bag in
man.
Jizzering? Come out
No,
Jizzering.
one
You
thing,
get
man.
cold.
Everything alright, man. I want place, I want new place we get, man. We kinda alright.
So
now,
we just
man.
have a left, just, but the rain and Jizzering,
Yeah,
you
man, we
can't stay
kinda
till
alright,
tomorrow.
man. Timaya, you know, tell
You
her,
sure
man.
you need to choose something over? You can't left with the little girl in
No,
the
man,
rain.
everything
So.
alright, man. Thanks for your
Over
little
it.
time, you know. She
You
alright,
sure
man.
about
Yeah,
this?
man, we kinda good, man. Thanks for accommodate me for
Cause
your
you
little
be
time,
comfortable,
man.
you know.
No worry yourself, man. Me get one new place, man. Yeah, anytime me have a money, me come check, see and give her, man. Yeah. Thanks again, yeah.
Alright. This strange body. I can go ask Justin what happened.
Daddy, my phone.
No, baby, man, but no take no disrespect, yeah, man. Little boy that's water and pasty and bright. Me help her with the bad. So we there then yard. No disrespect it.
What happened? All the man just get up and down in a Jizzering with his daughter.
Because me tired and see my pack out.
Justin, all you feel know how you there round here so with the people there.
Me don't know.
How me not treat them no way.
I mean, I say everything alright.
You know what? I dey run a room. Do what you do. Get your ties and come. Make sure say you pull up at the door. You hear?
Yeah.
Justin, I'm not going to bad. What's that?
For yourself here. I dey go get one nice place in here. Rain is up with us move.
Yeah, I'm going to get on again out and go.
Gosh, here is so warm up. It's so warm up. Red soda.
Okay, then you know, they still out there in the area. And I lie them, I tell cook.
So all of a sudden you want me go back for them. Justin, you dey hide something from me now. And Justin,
I'm going to tell you the truth, ma'am. You know, so I tell you about your father. Your father work this.
Justin, you shouldn't do that, Justin. You know what type of life me when they live with you? And Justin, let me tell you something. One time me out there, wandering in the street, light bill they cut off and everything. And Justin, I don't have no money to pay the light bill. You would in a darkness. Ball whole night I have one little pitney afraid of dark. That same man when you see there, when you just pass your place with Justin, him help me to pay the light bill, take shame out of me eye. Remember me tell you, so you know see people come in the place and me they help them and you they go on like you want push them back in the struggles where them a come from. Me been through that, Justin. So you know what? You're going to apologize to them because me they take them back in here and they go call them back. You're coming with me. That is rude, Justin. That is so rude. Me disappointing you. You shouldn't make that happen, Justin. You see the amount of where you have. Get up, come because you know what? Throw this over your head. The rain that jizzle me and you're going outside because them are going to come back in here. So good man that. He could be your father. Put it on, man. Come. And mind you make the people them out there too long so till then we have good somebody that me know when me I help good people because he helped me before you come. You don't have no behavior. But you go apologize tonight. Put on your slippers and go and Justin. Can't believe for you Justin. Come hurry up Justin before you make it people them. You Justin run. Go on. Go on Justin, where them there? Jesus Christ, I'm being still. Little girl. Oh God. Me sorry if you what happened a while ago. Me talk to my son and he tell me everything what happened in our house. You go and apologize to them. Come little girl.
Why me share you have a face to little boy now?
Me say, I don't know it's a force right, but me talk to him so everything go alright. He explained to me and just make me know say.
I am so sorry. You can have me.
You see that I saw no fear live. He make me know say I trained the one you feel, but you know children stay, forgive him.
I really accept your apology, you know, but me no really take them little style thing you like, you know.
Yeah, alright.
Me a
Sorry
serious
about
boy
that,
with my family, you know.
Sorry about
You understand, young man? Next time, not do them something in my eyesight, cause your mother now gonna know why me leave the place. You understand?
I mean, I'm go pleased with that. I make sure say they apologize. When you apologize to them a while ago, you mean it.
Yeah,
Now
right,
hold the
man.
little girl and I bring her inside. You can't
No,
stay
we
here
got-
as
no,
long
we-
as you know want to stay. No man. You can't come back in and Justin they set up a thing a while ago with the little crayfish brain. But he calm down, me talk to him.
Oh my, come, get up. You alright? Alright, come on.
Next thing, your son could have go lick my daughter and me
It
no
now
want,
go
me no
happen
want to
again.
reach this, you know.
It two are big in our
Me
house.
don't
It
want to
now go.
reach this.
Make we grow them as brother and sister. You come. Come. Let me go look what they see that then they tear down the place with ramping already.
You have
Justin!
to go train your
Man, look up off the careful thing there.